Assalamualaikum guys, how are you all? I'm going to start the series of Android app development, and in this course, this is the first intro of our Android Studio, like first lecture or first part one. Uh, so I'm going to start from here, new project, and this is empty activity. This is some kind of activities like bottom navigation activity, basic activity, empty activity. You can choose anyone else. Login activity, Google Maps activity. You can check this from here. You can mostly use empty activity. Next, and you guys here name it's like intro app, and this is the package name. Like I give the package name intro because it's the intro section, intro lecture. Further I start more details, basic to advanced level. This is the location of your project, and this is the language you can use, language Java and Kotlin, and minimum HK version. You can choose anyone else, lollipop version, marshmallow version, nugget version. I choose this one, API level 26, and I start and finish this project. I hope you guys understand how to make new project from Android Studio. Android Studio is a platform where we create Android applications. Mostly use platform this is the platform, Android Studio. So my project built successfully, as you can see. Grader built successfully. You can see. Now I'm going to tell you everything about Android Studio. Frame, which thing, what works. Like this is the XML file, and this is Java file. This is the project. Like on the left hand side you can see the app section. So first start from here. This is the basically app section. What things in our app, like manifest file is the most important file in our application. Where, let's see, this is the application tag, where some important tags allow backup, icons, label, round icon, which used in our app, theme, Android name. Like this is the all activities. Like we have only one activity now, which is main activity. So in application tag we define every activity which use in our application. Like we have only one activity, main activity. If you create another activity, it's automatically create here. Like you can say second activity. And also manifest file is very important. You can give permission here, like all possible permissions here, like uses permission, uses configuration, uses SDK, like permission, what kind of permissions we can use, like internet permission. If you want to use internet permission, if you want to use internet in your app, you can use internet permission. If you want to use camera permission, if you want to use camera in your app, then you must give camera permission. Just like all other permissions, you must provide it here. So manifest file is most important. Like record audio, access Wi-Fi state, access network state, external storage, internal storage, all the possible which you want to use. All the permission you write here. Use this permission. I hope you guys understood. So the next thing is Java folder. I hope you guys understood. Manifest folder and about manifest file. Now Java folder. This is the package name, com.intro, or my application name intro app. This is the main activity. Only we have main activity, and in main activity this is the XML file. In XML file I show you code. Here you write all the possible, if you want to use views, just like text views, button view, or some like this edit text view, all possible. You what kind of front end you want, you can write here code, like text view, edit text view, or button view, etc. And in res folder, res file, this is a drawable folder where you use some icons, like if you want to use username, user icon, password icon, then you copy paste here. And you also use vector asset or image assets from here. Vector asset, you can select the vector asset, and you can drawable, you can click on here and you can add from here. Okay, this is the loading icons, which load some icons, and you can just select it and download it from here. I hope you understand. Now the layout folder, which is the main XML file, which is related to main activity. I already show you. This is the main XML file. If you use another activity, like a second activity, then it's another XML file which name is activity second main second. Now what is map? This is also the folder of some icons, just like icon launcher, which has some icons according to their HDPI, high resolution, low resolution, mid resolution, etc. Now the values. In color XML, you use all the colors which you want in your app. You just possibly just like a copy here, paste it here. Icon name is pink, and you can select your color from tab here, and you can select pink if the pink is here. Okay, you can use and select it from select it just like that. Here you can define all the swings which you want to use in your app. Here the themes which you want to use in your app, and themes colors you define, just like this is the theme, and all the possible colors are defined here. So I hope you guys understand this section. All the app section manifest is most important. Java, where all we define main all the defined activities, and in rest folders, res folder, driver folder, where you define all the copy paste your images which you want to use, and layout folder, which where all the possible layout files, XML files, and map folder is also the icon folder, and values, where are three possible things: colors defined, strings defined, and theme defined. Now the Gradle script, this is the most important. In build Gradle, this is the compile SDK version. I mean compile SDK version which you want to start from here, like 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, etc. Or minimum SDK version define here 26, target SDK version define here 30. The version code of our app is 1, version name 1.0. You can also change I define I briefly define now. I will define later when we go further. Okay, now here is the most important: dependencies. where you define all the dependencies. Just like if you want to use recycler view in your app, you implement the dependency, just like copy paste here from Google. If you want to use Firebase, you add dependency here. If you want to use uh, RESTful API, just like Volley library, or any API you want to use, you can add your dependency here. And after adding dependency, you you go here and you will see the sync button. Just add the dependency and apply sync. You will see you can see here. Okay, now I hope you guys understand this. When now this is the over first step. I show you. You just create it, and after you go here, this is our first view, just like this. This is our first view. If you want to run this app or any app, then you can see this is the emulator. This is emulators. If you connect your mobile, then it shows here, and you can just run this app from here, and you can see the result or output of your app. Simply, this is the this is the basic structure. I hope you guys understand very well. If you want to learn more about, if you want to learn Android Studio or Android app development from basic to deep and make Android apps, then stay connected, and please like and subscribe my channel to stay connected. Thanks so much. Allah Hafiz.